Welcome back to the 12 Days of Christmas. The 9th day of Christmas is all about Christmas songs. Welcome to the Chic Show. Be sure and check out our host channels and the playlist in the description box below. For my song, I chose Good King Wenceslas. This is an old music book that I thrifted, and I have lots of these that I do not tear up. But this was one that I thought I could part with, so I will be using that one for crafts. I'm also using this IOD rub-on transfer book, and I'm also using this black canvas from Dollar Tree. It's not actually a canvas, it's one of the canvas boards. Now I'm going to fit my music on here. I'm also going to be adding my little Santa Claus, and I'm just getting my placement here. I'm just using a simple glue stick to glue the music onto the canvas board. You do want to give that a good rub down to make sure there are no wrinkles and make sure everything is adhered, especially along the edges. Now I'm going to use my transfer tool, and I'm going to rub on the transfer and pull back the backing tape as I go. Once he's fully adhered, I will rub it gently with that backing paper just to make sure it is completely rubbed down. Now, I thrifted one of these hangers. I have been looking for some of these for a while. I found two recently, and I'm just going to use it as a hanger. I embellished the top with a little piece of greenery and added this buffalo plaid bow, and this adds the perfect accent. If you're looking for more inspiration on Christmas songs DIYs, be sure and check out the playlist in the description box below. And if you want to watch another video, I recommend this one right here. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to share the chic. Bye now.